In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sections on Substack. Substack is a popular platform for writers and creators who wish to publish newsletters, and understanding how to organize your content into sections can greatly enhance your subscribers' experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Substack homepage. This is your starting point for managing your newsletter. Once you're there, look for the dashboard option. Clicking on it takes you to the central hub where you can oversee your entire publication universe. The dashboard gives you insights into how your newsletters are performing and lets you manage your settings, write new posts, and most importantly, set up sections, which is what we're focusing on today. Next, you'll need to go to the settings area. This is a crucial step because it's here where you'll define how your sections are structured. The settings will give you control over various configurations for your newsletter, allowing you to customize it according to your needs and preferences. Once you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Sections. This feature allows you to organize your content effectively, giving subscribers easy access to specific topics or types of content they are interested in. Think of each section as a chapter in a book. Each one focuses on a particular theme or subject. When you're ready to add a new section, click on Add Section. Now you'll begin entering the basic information for this section. This includes the section's title, which should be descriptive and give potential readers an idea of what content to expect. You might also want to add artwork to make this section visually distinct. And writing a clear, engaging description helps in setting the right expectations for your readers. Additionally, you can specify the email sender's name, which is particularly useful for customized communication with your audience. After setting up the basics, you might want to include a podcast. Adding a podcast can be a fantastic way to diversify the content you provide, reaching those in your audience who prefer auditory, learning, or entertainment. Substack makes it easy to integrate this feature, ensuring that all your content is streamlined and easily accessible. Following this, it's time to tweak the subscriber settings. Here, you'll be able to define how people can subscribe to this section. You might have options related to free versus paid subscriptions, sign-up forms, and more, depending on how you wish to structure your community. Finally, once you've gone through these steps and are satisfied with how your section is set up, you'll click on Create Section. This action finalizes everything, making your new section officially part of your Substack publication. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently use sections on Substack, organizing your content better, and catering to the diverse interests of your subscriber base. Thanks for watching and happy writing.